Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your laptop, your computer if it's very loud, if it's very noisy and it annoys you a lot. Because if it's loud, it's kind of disturbing, like you can't really pay attention to what you're listening, what you're watching while you're working. Maybe you are in an office and your laptop is very loud, and that's an issue because it will just will bother your team, your friends. If your laptop is very loud, it's very noisy, that can be very annoying. So I have a solution for you. So what you have to do, you can simply right click on power and sleep settings, and then what you can do here is, instead of power mode, instead of best performance, make sure you select balanced. Or you can also have on your laptop, for me personally on my laptop, if I press Fn plus Q, I can set here from auto to performance, and I can set to quiet mode. But that, if that didn't work and you still have the same issue, you can also go to power options, edit power plan. And here what you can do, if you click on change advanced power settings, here if you click on processor power management, and here in maximum processor state and plugged in, you can set to 98% or 60% or 50%. I'll suggest you to set to 50%, and on battery to 60%, around that range. And click on OK. And here in options, you can also set from high performance to balanced, and just change here the settings that I showed you here in processor power management. Make sure you set here to 60 or 50%, and that's the solution that will work what worked for me as well. And I tested it on another laptop and it worked just fine. So I really hope, guys, you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.